Another question we get is, can you use one product in place or instead of another?
Yes, the most common one we get is, can I replace the sleeping pod with a pendant, or can I replace the sleeping pod with a charge plate? And the answer for that is that each product, it's made of the same exact composition, but they're different in size. So the larger it is, the more powerful it's going to be. And they're made in certain shapes for certain functions. So a sleeping pod is made to fit in your hand so that it's really nice and comfortable to hold in your hand while you're in bed, or if you like roll over on the sleeping pod, it doesn't it's not pointy, it's nice and smooth. Or if you put it under your pillow, you can hardly notice that it's under your pillow because of the shape that it is. You can use a charge plate under your pillow, it would do the same thing, but a charge plate was designed so that you could set something flat on top of it. You can't do that with the sleeping pod. So like you could set a pitcher of water on top of a charge plate, or a plate of food or something like that. So that's the reason for the different sizes. The sleeping pods and the charge plates and the garden pucks are all bigger than the pendants. So some people ask, can I carry the sleeping pod in my pocket? Will the pendant do the same thing as the sleeping pod? And the pendant is great to have on your body to wear around, but the sleeping pod is much bigger, so it's much more powerful and much easier and better to use when you're sleeping. So I hope that that helps to answer that question. Hi, I'm Hope.
And this is Tavon.
And we're from Fix the World Morocco, where we make handmade products for EMF protection.
Each piece is made by hand, custom to your order.
When you order with us, you are commissioning us to make a piece of artwork just for you. Please see our FAQs and terms and conditions for information about our production schedule. Thanks for watching.